how to use Vivo phone as AC remote, or how to control your AC using your Vivo phone. Now, this process is very easy. All you have to do at first is make sure that your Vivo model is supported with an IR blaster. Now, IR blaster is actually a device that emits infrared or IR signals to control electronics like TVs and air conditioning. However, if your Vivo phone does not support this, then you can actually use an external device for you to be able to plug in into your Vivo phone and have it installed with an infrared. Now, the other thing that you can do is to open up your Google Play Store from your Vivo phone and just simply download and install this application that's called Remote AC Universal. In here, just simply open up the app, set it up as for AC or air conditioner, and then you just have to point your Vivo phone directly into your AC so that your IR blaster should be able to adapt infrared signal from the AC conditioner, and you should be able to control your AC using your Vivo phone. And that's it. That is how you use your Vivo phone as a remote for your AC.